Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fun Cooking with Knox. In this episode, we are going to make meatloaf. And I have a very special ingredients. Woohoo! Worcestershire sauce. Wash your shoes. We need our 2 pounds of ground beef, and we have a cup of Quaker Oats, a cup of tomato juice. We have 2 packs of cheese Swiss, and also a medium onion, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a ketchup. We're going to do a half cup of ketchup and salt and pepper for tasting. The only thing that we need to cut in this ingredients is the onion. We are going to dice it. So we just have to cut it and dice it. And this time we are going to add our 2 pounds of beef and mix with our chopped onions. Just pour it. And 2 eggs. We are going to drop the 2 eggs in here. Yes, I love eggs. And then we're going to mix our Quaker Oats and our tomato juice and our Worcestershire sauce, 2 salt and pepper. Well, first we're going to put our pepper. 1 teaspoon pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. There we go. All right. There you go. All right. We are ready for mixing. And then we're just going to turn it on. All right, before we do everything over here after our mix, we are going to preheat our oven to 375. We are ready to put our meat in meatloaf. Oh, I already washed my hands, and we are just going to flat this one in, flat it in. So we are just going to. We are going to start putting our cheese right here. We are just gonna, this is gonna be so much fun. And we are just going to roll it. Let's make sure they're staying. Alright, we are going to roll it. Keep rolling it. Roll it. Alright, and we're just going to keep rolling it. Rolling. go. Here we go. And we are going to put it in our pan. Alright, so we're just going to roll it inside here. We're going to make sure that the end is tucked in big time, because you don't want to the cheese, you don't want the cheese to melt and then it will come out from the side. So make sure that we pinch the side very well. Okay. All right, let's put it in here and just roll it back. Okay. All right. We'll just, there you go. I can still see the cheese, but we're just gonna tap the cheese in. Okay. I'm gonna tap the cheese. All right, I am ready to put the meatloaf in our oven. All right, let's do it. All right, just ooh, it's hot. Just be careful that you won't burn yourself. And we are gonna set it for, let's just set it for 1 hour. All right, 1 hour. And here you go. We are gonna wait for 1 hour and our meatloaf will be ready. All right, this time we are going to get ready with our toppings. So I have a cup of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're just gonna mix it over there. And then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. What is this? Wash your shoes. So we're gonna add this one over here, and then we're just gonna mix it. And we are going to mix it. All right. Woo! Ooh, that looks so good. Alright, guys, we are just going to put this one on top of our meatloaf. Ooh, just like that. And I was telling you, I have like friends right now in the house, and they can't wait to taste this. Yes. And ooh, yes, just evenly put the ketchup sauce over here on top, and then we're gonna bake it again in about 15 minutes. Okay. All right. Ooh. Good. Ooh, look at that. It looks so good. All right, I am going to cut this. Ooh. That looks so good. All right, I am ready to get the first piece. Ooh, boy. Are you excited? I am very, very excited. Let's see if I can get it. All right. Oh, let's go get it. Oh, my word. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, the cheese just melted. Oh, wow. Very good. Hey, that was it. And that was very easy. And I am so glad that you stick until the last. And I hope you can make your own meatloaf, right? Okay. Now, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notify my latest video. And until next time, God bless you and have a very, very good day. Bye. bowl. You have to try that. Sige deh. Tarik dali deh.
It's delicious. Wow. Guys, you will not get disappointed. This is amazing.
Okay. Oh my word. I would like to say thank you, Sherry, for sharing your recipe. This is Sherry's recipe, and we are so thankful that she shared this recipe to me. And oh my word, it is really, really, really good. Thank you.